Alright, the ceiling.
Alright, alright.
Alright, alright,
You want to chop it
alright.
on that side?
Yeah. Chop it down, straight down the middle.
Well, actually, hold on. I might be able to just get it out.
Oh my goodness.
So. Fuck you, you stupid doorbells.
Oh my goodness.
You gotta go.
Yeah! This one's actually touching the ceiling, huh?
I think you might